What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Excel documents. So generally, if you want to convert a PDF to an Excel, you want it to have been an Excel file in the first place, or has some sort of table that can be converted into Excel properly, or else your formatting will get messed up. But there is a site I found, ilovepdf.com, and it has the option PDF to Excel. Now what I like about this site is that it doesn't ask you for anything, doesn't really ask you to log in, sign up, give your email, pay. It gives you the option to if you want to, but otherwise it just lets you use its service without anything else. So as you can see, I'm on the site here. I'll put it in the description, but this site has a bunch of other things: PDF to Word, PowerPoint, JPEG, things like that. And if you want to find it, you can just type in PDF to Excel, and it should be one of the top search results. As you can see, is number 2 for me, but if you can't find it, it'll be in the description. So I'm just going to show you guys how to use this now. Just click select PDF file. I have something I'm testing on my desktop, so I'm going to put this guy into the site and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out, because I created this in Excel, so now I want to convert it back to Excel just for like proof of concept. So convert to Excel, and now it's ready. So just click download and then click save. This is in Firefox, but in Chrome, different download settings. Either way, just save the file if you want it saved. If not, you can just open it, up to you. So now that it's been downloaded, I'm going to open it and we're going to see what it looks like. Hey, look at that, pretty good. See, it converted it back to a table, and now it kept most of the formatting correct. This site does a pretty good job of converting back to Excel pretty accurately, so that's why I wanted to show you guys this. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.